Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex and today we are going to assemble one electronic device. I think this looks like some flickering device, like a windmill. What we have in this kit. Have one drawing, not so useful, but still we have it. And all parts which must be on this kit set. We have one battery holder for 3 batteries, board, main board for mounting, a lot of LEDs, red color, 2 switches, push buttons, 4 resistors and 1 chip. Okay, let's start and we'll see how it's gonna work. For this assembly we need soldering iron, a little bit experience, and let's go. I have planned to start from this chip. I think this is the most difficult in this assembly because this chip is really small. Very important to follow key on the board and key on the chip. You can see it, one dot here, one dot, and as well we have this mark on the board. Should be like this direction. Okay, this part is ready. Now we can proceed, for example, with resistors. As per drawing, we have 4 resistors with resistance 1 kilo ohm. All of them the same. No possible to make any mistake. So far our result is like this. Now we need to solder all these LEDs and let's see. One we have spare, one remain. Now remain only to remove all these legs by cutting out. Looks like remain only to connect wire for batteries and we can test it. Okay, now let us connect these battery holders to wires, plus and minus. Red is plus, minus is black. Okay, now let's try to test. Telling the truth, I was testing already before, and I think in this kit I get somehow damaged this chip. Looks like because Milt is not starting. Only a little bit all LEDs like illuminated, but it's not rotating. Looks like this chip is defected. Sometimes this Chinese details, electronic details coming defected and devices is not really working well. This is one of this case. Okay, on this note we can finish our video. For my regret, we not success, but sometimes it's happen. Okay, goodbye, see you next time.